Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. On today's video we've got our non-3G trail camera. So this unit works exactly the same as the 3G one. It still triggers remotely, you can still get to do video, all that sort of stuff. The only thing against this one as opposed to the other unit is the other one would send you an email notification when it's triggered. This unit would not. So you'd physically need to go and retrieve the unit from wherever you've placed it to be able to view the footage back and all the rest of it. So let's go ahead and open the box. It's going to be very similar to the 3G, but we're going to go through it anyway and then I'll go in depth and we'll show you how it all works. So inside the box we have our trail camera, again presented in the completely invisible to the naked eye camouflage colour. So I'll just place that somewhere on the table for you. We also have our strap, again, so you can secure it to a pole or a tree. We also have our USB cables, so you can download your footage directly from the camera without having to remove the memory card. Our AV connection cable, so we can plug it directly into a TV with RCA sockets. And our instruction manual. So everything in the box is exactly the same as the 3G one, guys. What we're going to go ahead and do now is get you guys to join us on the next video, and we're going to go in depth with the unit, show you where to put the memory card, batteries, and how to set it up for motion activation.